Another tool that can be used to create wireframe geometry from surfaces, as well as obtaining single wires from a set of joined wires, is the Extract tool. This can be found underneath of the Boundary tool by clicking the black arrow and selecting the second icon called Extract, or by going to Insert, Operations, and selecting Extract. This is pretty similar to Boundary in the fact that there are different propagation types. A few of these are point, tangent, and curvature, and there's a couple of other ones, as well as no propagation. But the ones that I use most often, in this case, is just the default of no propagation, and occasionally point, tangent, or curvature. The Extract tool will allow me to extract one single element at a time. In this case, I have two different sets of geometry. I have a surface, and I have a join that includes two different elements. The Extract tool will allow me to select one of the two elements of that join command. And if I were to click OK, it will actually give me that individual component. And it will still keep the original join. Now, if I hide the wireframe and focus on just the surface, and go back to Extract, here I can select an edge of my surface. And, like Boundary, I can change the propagation type to point continuity to get a complete boundary. And I can also check for tangency or curvature, as well as the other ones, or set it to no propagation. Once I do this and click OK, I'll get one single wire that is an extract of that surface's outer edge. The Extract tool can also be used on solid pieces of geometry to obtain faces that become extracted surface geometry, or elements such as points or lines to become wireframe geometry. The Extract tool is a little more versatile in the fact that I can either extract wireframe, surface, or solid geometry, whereas the Boundary tool has to have a surface input to use it. Another point for this tool is that it will do one element at a time, or extract one thing at a time. If I would like to extract multiple pieces, I will use a different tool called Multiple Extract that I will cover in the next video.